Hello everyone, my name is Aanchal and welcome to my channel It All Begins at Home. Most parents have concerns that their child gets distracted too easily or does not pay attention or experiences difficulty in focusing, learning new things and remembering them. So in today's video, I am going to share some effective tips and tricks that can help increase your child attention span or concentration. And if you are following my videos, then in my previous video I have talked about the causes that lead to lack of concentration in kids. In case if you have missed watching that video, I'll link that below in the description box. Please check that out. Now in continuation of that video, let me share some tips and tricks that can help increase your child concentration. But before I begin, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to It All Begins at Home and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an upload from me. Let's get started. Now number 1 is create curiosity. So if you want your child to be attentive or to concentrate, they need to be curious. It could be either with questions or with some creativity. So like if you are about to start any activity with your kid and he is not paying attention to it, you can start like, do you know what it is? How does it work? Would you like to try it? Or be a little creative, as if you want your child to write his name on the worksheet and he is not paying attention to it, you can make it to something fun, like if he wished to write it with a chalk or shape it with a Play-Doh, or even trace it with some manipulatives like buttons or beads. So try to make things fun for your kid. Try to create curiosity in child. Now second is give smaller goals to achieve. It is very natural if a child finds the task too big or too hard, he will stop paying attention to it. So try breaking the task into smaller ones, as this helps increase in child's focus, and eventually completing smaller projects leads to the completion of big project. Say for example, instead of asking a child to clean his room where he has no clue from where to start or what he has to do for cleaning the room, you can ask like, first, can you please collect all the colors and put it in a box, and then I'll come back and let you know what you have to do next. So this way you are breaking a big task into smaller ones and giving them proper direction what they have to do, and giving only one task at a time, which helps increase in concentration in kids. Now third is take baby steps and set proper expectations. So if your child does not have a good attention span, then encourage them to take baby steps. And most importantly, you should set expectations depending on the age of your child. So like you can't expect a 1 or 2 year old to sit for 30 to 40 minutes for doing any activity. This is never going to happen. So take baby steps and try to sit with your 1 or 2 year old for 5 minutes for doing any activity, say dropping things to a container, and then eventually increase it to 7 minutes. And when they get 3 year old, you can increase it to 10 minutes. So take baby steps and set proper expectations depending on the age of your child. Now next is show them their progress. Always remember to praise your child. Appreciate them as they made any progress, and praise them in such a way that they should be able to see the progress they are making. Like say something, you did this activity in this much time, you have been able to do it faster and done so much work today. So when they are able to see the progress, they will be happy, and most likely they'll be willing to come back and give their best next day. Now next is reduce distractions. So child find it difficult to focus in presence of distractions like mobile phones, tablets, TV shows. So try to keep the study area simple with no distractions. If possible, try to remove all the clutter and let your child face the wall while he is studying in order to minimize all the distractions, as your child will not be able to see the people, things or siblings around the house, and this helps increase in attention span in kids. Now next is do something interesting before it starts losing your child's interest. So keep monitoring your child while giving any activity to your kid. Ask in every 7 to 8 minutes, like if they are enjoying doing it or if they want to do something else. And if you find that they are losing interest, so try to change the activity, like ask them to sing a song, clap their hands or raise their hands up in the air. So it's very important for you to keep monitoring your child as you give any activity. So keep monitoring and try something which takes your child out of boredom. Now next is play games that require focus. So do some activity with your children that need focus, like solving a jigsaw puzzle, card games or memory games. Anything that brings your child concentration skills into action. Now next is have predictable routine and discipline in your house. Concentration is nothing but self-discipline and self-regulation. So kids are going to have longer attention if they have discipline, as discipline is correlated to concentration. If you set up a routine in your house, like if you have a nap time, wake up time, dinner time, lunch time for your kids, then you have a predictable routine that you do or follow every day. And if you are consistent to that, you are going to see an increase in your child's concentration. Last and most important is exercise. Doing simple exercise can help your kid increase in attention span. So ask your child to try this simple exercise. Close your eyes and then breathe in, breathe out 10 times can help increase your child's attention. So these are all tips and tricks that you can try with your child to increase in attention span. I hope you guys like these tips and tricks, and let me know in the comment section below if they worked with your kids, and also comment ways that you do with your kids to increase their attention span. And please don't forget to show some love by liking this video and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and staying till the end of the video. Thank you.